Hey there, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for kidney health, fruits that can naturally help break down kidney stones. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the fruits, let's quickly understand how kidney stones form. They're usually made of minerals and salts that accumulate in the kidneys due to various factors like dehydration, diet, and genetics. Now here are 5 fruits that can aid in breaking down these troublesome stones. Fruit number 1, lemon. Number 1 on our list is lemon. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which can help dissolve certain types of kidney stones, especially those made of calcium oxalate. Citric acid binds to calcium in the urine, making it harder for stones to form. Squeezing fresh lemon juice into your water or incorporating it into your meals can be a tasty way to support your kidney health. Fruit number 2, watermelon. Next up, we have watermelon. Not only is watermelon refreshing and hydrating, but it's also rich in water and potassium. Potassium citrate is commonly used to prevent kidney stones, and watermelon naturally contains this compound. The high water content in watermelon also promotes urine production, helping to flush out toxins and prevent stone formation. Enjoying a slice of watermelon on a hot day can be both delicious and beneficial for your kidneys. Fruit number 3, kiwi. Moving on to kiwi, this small but mighty fruit is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is known to inhibit the growth of kidney stones and reduce their size. It also increases urine volume, which can help flush out stone-forming substances. The antioxidants in kiwi protect against oxidative stress, which is linked to kidney damage. Adding kiwi to your fruit salads or enjoying it as a snack can be a smart choice for kidney health. Fruit number 4, cranberries. Another fruit that's great for kidney health is cranberries. They contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. This action reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, that can contribute to kidney stone formation. Cranberries also have an acidic pH, which may help dissolve certain types of stones. Incorporating cranberries into your diet or drinking unsweetened cranberry juice can be beneficial for overall urinary tract health. Fruit number 5, apples. Last but not least, we have apples. Apples are high in fiber, particularly pectin, which can bind to toxins and prevent their absorption in the gut. This can indirectly reduce the burden on the kidneys by promoting detoxification through the digestive system. Additionally, apples contain antioxidants like quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit kidney function. Eating apples with the skin on provides extra fiber and nutrients, aiding in digestion and potentially reducing the risk of kidney stones. And there you have it, our top 5 fruits that can help break down kidney stones naturally. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have a history of kidney stones or any kidney-related issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.